from cherries! In this minute, we want to learn how to adjust tonal range of a 32-bit image using Curve Effect. Curve Effect for 32-bit images is available in Adobe Photoshop 2020 or newer versions. We first select the image layer, and to check if the image is 32-bit image, we open Image menu. From the sub-menu, we choose Mode, and as you can see, we have a 32-bit image. Now, having the layer still selected, we click on the adjustment layer and select Curve from the menu. Now, from the appeared window, we change the image's tonal range, changing the curve to get the desired result we wish for. As you can see, the effect is added as a layer, and we can toggle the layer effect visibility on or off. We made a curve effect in a 32-bit image in Photoshop. Hope you liked this technique in 1 minute.